In this question, I want to find 30% of £400 and I want to do it without using a calculator. Whenever you want to find a percentage of something without a calculator, always start by finding 10%. To find 10% of something, you always divide by 10. So dividing this by 10 gives me £40. You can now use this 10% as a building block to create the percentage that you're actually after. I want 30%. I multiply 10 by 3 to get 30, so I need to multiply this by 3 as well. I get £120. So 30% of £400 is £120. Now I'm being asked to find 15% of £280. We start in the same way with our building block of 10%. To find 10%, we divide by 10, so that's £28. Now to make 15%, I'm going to need a 5% as well. 5% is half of 10%, so I can halve this. That gives me £14. Now to get 15%, I want to add these two together. So I want to add these two results together as well. The answer I get is £42. So 15% of £280 is £42. Here are some questions for you to try. Press pause and have a go. When you're ready for the answers, press play. Here are the answers. Here's an exam-style question for you now. In this question, you need to work out 15% of £30. But because this is a price reduction, you then need to take it away from £30 to work out the sale price of the dog basket. Press pause and have a go. When you're ready, press play. Here's the answer. Here's your final very difficult exam-style question. Make sure you take the time to read this one through carefully before you try it. Press pause and have a go. When you're ready for the answer, press play. I'm going to approach this question using a line-by-line method. Each month, Sue earns £620 basic pay, so she gets this even if she doesn't sell any phone or internet contracts. She earns 5% of the cost of all the phone contracts, so I need to work out 5% of £40. 10% is £4, so 5% is £2. She also earns 10% of the cost of all the internet contracts she sells, so I need to find 10% of £32. And that's £3.20. In April, she sold 26 phone contracts. Remember, for each phone contract she sells, she earns £2. So for 26 phone contracts, she's going to earn 26 times £2, and that's £52. She also sold 10 internet contracts. Remember, for each internet contract, she earns £3.20. So she's going to earn 10 times £3.20. And that's £32. So for the total amount, she gets her basic pay, that's £620. She gets £52 from the phone contracts. And she gets £32 from the internet contracts. This all adds up to £704. This is the final answer.